Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, November 11th, 2016. And today in our Tech News, we have the Xbox One that outsells PS4 in the US for a fourth month in a row. And of course, it also outsells in the PS4 in the UK and Australia. And apparently, it's close to being there also in Canada. So, kind of interesting to see that the sales are actually going well and going strong, and showing that the increased new versions, the Xbox One S and all of that, has made sales really go higher for Microsoft. So it's good news for Microsoft. Its game division is going well, and I think they have a bright future if they can continue on. Well, we have today a Nintendo Classic Mini that is available for sale. Yes, that is the little console that is basically very, very popular. And it seems that probably the stocks will run out today as we're speaking. And I've seen all sorts of articles of where to get one if you can. And so, of course, it has 30 original games, including Super Mario and Donkey Kong, Legend of Zelda, and so on. And basically, it is something that a lot of people will want. So it's interesting because Nintendo is that company that sometimes goes, into problems because they don't know what to do to sell stuff, and then they come out with something that sells really well. Well, it seems that this basically the classic games of the original Nintendo are making this little console a hot item this year. Well, Russia is about to shut down access to LinkedIn, and basically the reason why, they're asking LinkedIn to store all the information about its users in a local account, in a local storage in a server in Russia. And if they don't comply, well, they will be blocked from Russia. Now, LinkedIn has said that they find that this is kind of a very, very intrusive method and that it is unsecure. And so they've not complied with this, and we're not really sure what's going to happen. But it seems that in the next few days, if nothing has changed, LinkedIn will be blocked from Russia. So, another step from Russians to basically try and control information and see who basically is in LinkedIn, and view the contacts of everybody with some Russian entrepreneurs. Well, in PwnFest in South Korea, which is a famous little contest where hackers meet and try to, of course, find security holes in software, and companies like Microsoft, Google, Apple will, of course, pay for these flaws. Well, it seems that Microsoft Edge was, in the first hours of the contest, hacked into twice. Once with a South Korean hacker, and the second time with a Chinese hacker that belongs, by the way, to the Kihu 360 antivirus security team. And the South Korean one actually kind of surprised Microsoft because it took only 18 seconds for the hacker to get into the PC through Edge. Of course, they have been awarded $141,000 each, because the idea behind this is to try to make everything more secure. So that's pretty much what they want, to have people hack into the systems. And of course, they are rewarded because this will make Windows and the different browsers used more secure. Well, Amazon has been defeated in court. It seems that a Seattle judge says that Amazon must refund all its users that actually bought apps that children were using, and actually the children activated or used in-app purchases without the parents' knowledge. So some parents got a bill on the credit card, some for several $100s, and basically Amazon was fighting this, saying, well, it's up to the parents to make sure that they're secure and that the children cannot do in-app purchases. Well, the Seattle judge says, nope, it's up to you to make sure that this can't happen, and you have to refund the in-app purchases of all the users that complained that their children actually did in-app purchases. Well, an interesting new development in the Facebook drone. Facebook drones basically are a project that Facebook is trying to put into high gear. It is that they would put drones, autonomous drones, up in the air that would actually give internet access to regions where internet access is a problem. And of course, they are conducting tests, and basically, they have succeeded very well. They have put into the air a few drones that they've been testing, and they've been actually able to get up to 20 gigabits per second speed from these drones for internet connections. So that is very impressive and shows that the project is slowly coming to basically full deployment. So, of course, they're conducting more tests, and it's going to be interesting to see this as they start rolling out the different drones in different areas. And finally, the FBI last year seized a Tor or a dark web internet porn site called Playpen. It was a site that hosted child pornography. But now what we learn is that actually the FBI seized 23 Tor websites that hosted pornography and also sold drugs. And what we learned is that the FBI actually operated these websites for about 14 days before they shut them down to get the maximum amount of information on who was visiting these websites. So it shows you that, even if you're on the dark web, it might not be as secure as you thought. So this was the tech news update for November 11th, 2016. Hope you enjoy our tech news. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. Of course, we'll be back next Monday with our usual tech news. Hope you enjoy our videos. Have a great weekend. And thank you for watching.